Hello YouTube, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd go downtown in my city in a small park area and I'm gonna show you my EDC and my EDC bag. So let's start. At first I have a normal paracord bracelet, nothing on. I got my Victorinox Farmer and I attach a lanyard as pacing beads. I have my flashlight. It's a 511 ATAC A1 small compact EDC light. I have my EDC blade, a 511 also. It's the model I think is Alpha Scout normal. Then I have my wallet, a small compact leather sheet type. It's only got my driver license, credit card and Victorinox Swish light card. For my EDC bag I got Sod 4 Tonto. It's a bag that I had for quite a long time, but I didn't really like it. But it has grown on me, so stay tuned and I show you what I got inside. Bye for now. Okay YouTube, I'm back with my Tonto. Has a 4 sling bag. What I use this for is of course my EDC bag, but I don't want a big backpack because I put a lot of shit in it. So this is basically what I need during my everyday. So let's start. Out in the outer compartment, as a lanyard I just put a little paracord body. In here I got my iPad mini in Otterbox Defender shell, and I got my stylus pen for the iPad. On the side I have a pair of pacing beads in metal balls that I can use as a backup type defense weapon, some sort, if you wanna do that. I also have a nice survival whistle, loud as hell. I don't want to use it here in downtown because people are going to look funny at me. On the other side, in the small compartment, on the outside I just got a Grimlock carabiner. But in here I got my iPhone 4, also with a Otterbox Defender shell. I got some paracord, and I think, yes, I got my lighter with a little flashlight. So if you open the main flap, out in the admin compartment I got some nice stuff. I got some ordinary big pens. I got a Uzi pen with a glass breaker. I got my multi-tool. It's a SOG, little nice multi-tool. Then I got my backup blade. It's a Fox Knives profiling tactical knife. This is why I put it in the bag, because the cops don't like when you're running around with kind of this blade. You can see it's an aggressive kind of blade. So that's because it's in the bag. I got my stream light, flashlight. also nice compact aluminium shell. I got some bandage, some blood stopper if I really injure myself or somebody else. We recently have a robbery in a shop here in town where one got shot in the stomach, so this can come in handy sometimes. I also have a Rate and Rain notebook. In the map compartment I don't have anything right now. I gonna put a map of the city or the city I'm in if I go on vacation, such. So it's come very handy. Moving on, main compartment. Here I only have my smug and my Otterbox crush proof case. I think the model name is 2000. In here I got some survival attributes like a Swiss Army knife, pen, yeah, you name it, whatever you need. And I put some lanyard, so it's easy to get out of the bag. I'm gonna show you this later. So, oh, I got one more thing. One use type of rain poncho. If it's gonna rain, I saw some heavy thunder clouds in the distance, so I hope I make it home before it starts. So very nice thing to have. So that's what I got in the bag. I hope you like this, and stay tuned for the Otterbox survival case, and I show you what I got in there. So stay tuned. So YouTube, back again with the Otterbox 2000, and I'm gonna show what I got in it. Some small stuff really. At first I got a Rate and Rain notebook, perfect if you wanna write a note when you're out, when the shit hits the fan, as sort of. I got some paramedic type of gloves. You don't want to touch anyone if they're bleeding or like that. I got some wet wipes with alcohol, so I can put it on fire. It burns like hell. Got some more bandage. I got some aspirin for my migraine. I got pure tablets, water purification tablets. A silver compass, nice one, so I know where I'm going. I got the EDC survival card, very nice thing to have. And I got my mini Swiss champ, nice because it has the pen and some other cool stuff. I just put a lanyard on it. So that was all for today. Hope you like it, and I'm gonna try to do some more videos soon. So stay tuned, be safe, take care.